Imagine effortlessly pulling yourself up over a wall or lifting heavy objects with ease. This is the power of a strong back and upper body, and 100 pull-ups a day can help you achieve it. While it sounds daunting, the journey to 100 pull-ups is a testament to dedication and unlocks incredible physical benefits. Are you ready to test your limits and transform your physique? Pull-ups are the ultimate compound exercise, engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. With every repetition, you work your back, biceps, shoulders, and forearms. This comprehensive muscle activation leads to rapid strength gains and hypertrophy, building a powerful and sculpted upper body. Regularly performing 100 pull-ups can significantly increase your lifting capacity in other exercises like rows and presses. One of the most noticeable benefits of consistently doing 100 pull-ups is the development of a sculpted and muscular back. Pull-ups target the latissimus dorsi, the large muscles that give your back its width, creating that coveted V-shaped physique. They also work the trapezius, rhomboids, and erector spinae, contributing to a strong and defined back. While pull-ups primarily target the upper body, they also engage your core muscles to maintain stability and control during each repetition. This isometric contraction of the abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back strengthens your core and improves overall stability, benefiting athletic performance and everyday movements. Section 5. Improved grip strength for everyday tasks. Have you ever struggled to open a jar or carry heavy grocery bags? A strong grip is essential for various everyday tasks, and pull-ups are a fantastic way to develop it. Each rep requires you to hold your entire body weight, significantly improving your grip strength over time. This newfound strength translates to better performance in sports, weightlifting, and daily activities. Section 6. Increased shoulder mobility and health. Maintaining healthy shoulder mobility is crucial for preventing injuries and performing daily tasks with ease. Pull-ups involve a full range of motion at the shoulder joint, promoting flexibility and reducing stiffness. Regularly performing 100 pull-ups can help improve your posture, reduce the risk of shoulder pain, and enhance overall shoulder health. Section 7. Boosting your metabolism and burning fat. Building muscle is one of the most effective ways to boost your metabolism and burn fat. As you build muscle through consistent pull-up training, your body burns more calories at rest, contributing to weight management and a leaner physique. Furthermore, the high-intensity nature of pull-ups can elevate your heart rate and burn additional calories during your workout. Section 8. The Mental Toughness Challenge. The journey to achieving 100 pull-ups a day is not just about physical strength, but also mental fortitude. It requires discipline, consistency, and the ability to push past your limits. Overcoming this challenge builds resilience, boosts your confidence, and instills a sense of accomplishment that extends beyond fitness. Section 9. Listen to your body, progress gradually. While the goal is 100 pull-ups, it's crucial to listen to your body and progress gradually. Start with a number you can comfortably manage and gradually increase the repetitions as you get stronger. Focus on proper form and control over speed to maximize results and minimize the risk of injury. Section 10. Unlock your potential with 100 pull-ups. The 100 pull-up challenge is a testament to dedication, discipline, and the incredible adaptability of the human body. By incorporating this into your fitness routine, you can unlock a world of physical and mental benefits, transforming your physique and pushing your limits. Are you ready to take on the challenge and discover the power of 100 pull-ups?